How can you erase those aging and frown lines on your face without the cost and complications of surgery? Plastic surgeon Dr. Diya Tantawi of Beauty Refined Plastic Surgery discusses how he uses Botox and other methods to successfully remove wrinkles and worry lines.
Botox is a neuromodulator. It's a specific medication that is used to render the muscle inactive in order to prevent the wrinkles that muscle can cause. Truly, everybody can be a candidate for Botox.
Dr. Tantawi outlines the areas of the face where Botox is used.
The areas most people concentrate on are what we call the glabellar frown lines, which seem to make a person look angry when he's not, or when she's not, or the marionette lines, or the nasolabial folds, or the lips in general. And so we tend to change the activity of the muscle in order to allow the muscle to be a little more active in certain areas and less active in other areas. As we aged, the tissues of our face have descended due to gravity, due to age, sun exposure, environment, you name it. I like to focus on the jaw lines to obtain a youthful, smooth rejuvenation of the jaw lines. And depending if it's a male or a female, I would like to also give the chin the look of a young, youthful male or female. With that, I would recreate the nasolabial fold back into its position and recreate the plumpness of the upper cheek where it was conal and youthful.
Dr. Tantawi defines the term conal face.
The term the conal face is an everlasting beautified face. When Leonardo da Vinci had created the Mona Lisa, he used the conal face to elicit the curvilinear cheek and the smooth jawline in order to give it that nice youthful look. In this particular picture, we used the neuromodulator Botox to render the muscle of the frown lines inactive, thereby erasing the frown lines completely and taking away those wrinkles in the forehead.
Dr. Tantawi reveals how the use of fillers results in a more youthful appearance.
I am a firm believer of architectural facial rejuvenation, in which I use a combination of treatments including the Botox, neuromodulators, and fillers, and in certain instances some creams and some lasers, in which what I do is rejuvenate the face by augmenting certain areas with tissue or with fillers and rendering muscles inactive in certain other areas, thereby rearranging the architectural face and turning back the clock towards the youthful conal face. In this before and after photo, I used a combination of Botox and fillers as well as a laser treatment to erase all of the wrinkles and resend the tissues of the lower face back into their position and allowing that conal, youthful, curvilinear cheek that we see in our youthful days.
For an appointment, call Dr. Tantawi at 760-666-6121.